amazing voice, bro. Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica side. I hope everyone is having a fantastic week thus far. And when the weekend comes, I do hope everyone enjoyed their weekend and also their week. Okay, guys, so I've seen Be First gave us a brand new track. And this track is not just only a track, but this track is also a special dance performance. And this special dance performance, it's called Guilty. I'm guilty to know what's up. But okay, one question. Do anyone who's watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And here we go. Let's check out what Be First has to perform for me and for you right now. Yeah, very smooth dance. One question. Are these guys a big fan of Michael Jackson? Because I've seen some Michael Jackson moves here and it is ravishingly good. Ah, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Yes, a masterpiece. My bros, they are back in business. Yeah, it's been a while since I've heard any music from them. And the return, it's superb, man. Hey, my bro, he's my favorite of the group, bro. Who else found this music entertaining? Who else found this dance entertaining? Who else liked the concept of the video mixed with the dances? It's good. It's really good, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some smooth looking moves are displayed here. Damn, damn, bro. Hey, some incredible moves are being displayed here. It's amusingly good, bro. I'm feeling so great. While watching, while listening, I'm feeling so great. I am feeling great, bro. Hey, these bros, man, I do like it, bro. I do like to see everyone here dressing so formally, but the dress code is for everyone. It's neatly attired here, bro. Damn, bro. And I can see that they are a big fan of Michael Jackson, which is no problem because that man is the king of pop, bro. And to see others who are trying to do something like him, doing it so good, bonus, man. Bonus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Amazing voice, bro. So soft and cool, man. Hey, this is a good vocalist. His vocal is not normal, man. Wonderful. Just what we need. Just something that what we need. It's displayed here. And I'm feeling good, bro. Ah, hey, this is giving me the happy moment. Superb. This is absolutely superb. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. Hey, be first. This one was dope, bro. I enjoyed it.